Do you love pre-rolls? Except for the tough hard draw, constant canoeing, or restricted airflow? Who wants to throw away half-used cones? How many times have you broken off the tip, just to relight it after it goes out? Is this your frustrating and disappointing experience all the time? Well, EZ Puffs has you covered. As you can see with EZ Puff technology, we have revolutionized the way one constructs a pre-rolled. During assembly, the paper cone is filled with leafy product and compressed. It's at this point where our double-sleeved pin starts to pierce its way through to the bottom where the filter starts. Once there, our proprietary concentrate formula is released through the many holes located on the sides of the outer pin. After the leaf is coated on all edges with this fluid, the outer pin rotates as it is retracted, leaving behind a tunnel structure in the inner pin. The inner pin then gently releases a stream of air throughout the newly created tunnel as it is retracted and leave behind a cured airflow channel.